Apportionment and voting. Introduction to apportionment. According to Reyes, Yale et al., 2018, apportionment is a method of dividing whole into various parts. Apportionment has its roots in the U.S. Constitution. This concept is used in determining the number of representatives in each state sent to Congress based on its population. In the Philippines, our 1987 Constitution makes the use of concept of appropriation that is ideally one representative per 250,000 people. The Alexander Hamilton's method of apportionment. Hamilton's method is one of the earliest apportionment methods. It was proposed to President Hugo Washington in 1971. The steps. Step number 1, find the standard deviation, or SD, equals total population divided by the total number to be apportioned. Step number 2, find the standard quota. Standard quota equals to population in the group divided by the standard divisor. Step number 3, round down the standard quota to the nearest integer or lowest quota. Step number 4, apportion additional item or unit one at a time to the group with the largest fractional parts of the standard quota. So, ito po yung example natin. Mayroon tayong 4 na major. Ito yung humanities, business, education, mathematics. Ang enrollees ay 1,250, 985, 1,420, 1,595. So, the total of 5,250. Example. Shown in the table is the number of enrollments in each major. There are 350 computers to be apportioned among the 4 majors. Use Hamilton's method to apportion the 350 computers on the basis of the numbers of enrollments in each major. Solution 1. Find the standard divisor. Standard divisor is equals to the total number of population divided by 350 is equals to 15. Step number 2, find the standard quota of computers in each major. Hahanapin natin yung standard quota ng mga computers sa bawat major. So, for humanities, standard quota is equals to the number of enrollments, 1,250 divided by 15 is equals to 83.33. For business, standard quota is equals to 985 divided by 15 is equals to 65.67. For education, standard quota is equals to 1,420 divided by 15 is equals to 94.67. For mathematics, standard quota is equals to 1,595 divided by 15 is equals to 106.33. Step number 3, round down each standard quota assumed in column 4. Magra-round down tayo sa bawat standard quota na makikita natin sa column 4. So, ito po yun. Number 1, major. Number 2, enrollees. Number 3, standard quota. Ito yung column 4, round and down. So, magra-round and down lang tayo sa sagot natin sa number 4. Portion the two remaining units to the majors with the highest fractional parts. So, mag-a-apportion lang tayo dito ng dalawa natitirang units sa mga malalaking fractional parts. So, eto yon. Makikita natin siya sa column 5. So, mag-a-add tayo ng plus 1 kung yung fractional parts ba is mas mataas kaysa sa sagot. So, ito yan. So, yung standard quota is 83.33, rounded down 83, actual number 83. Business 65.67, rounded down, actual number 65 plus 1 is equals to 66. Education 94.67, rounded down 94, actual number 94 plus 1 is equals to 95. Mathematics 106.33, rounded down 106, actual number 106. Total 350, rounded down 448, actual number 350. So, the column 5 shown the actual number of computer apportioned to each major. The Thomas Jefferson's method of apportionment. In Jefferson's method, you will use a modified divisor which is slightly lower than the computed standard divisor to obtain a modified quota or MQ that is slightly higher than the standard quota or SQ. This is to avoid the instance of unfairness in apportioning the items. In Jefferson's method, here are the procedures to follow. Number 1, find the modified divisor or MD that is less than the standard divisor, such that when each modified quota or MQ is rounded down to the nearest integer, the sum of the resulting integer equals to the number of items to be apportioned. Number 2, the apportionment for each group correspond to the rounded down or MQs found in step 1. Standard quota is equals to population in the group divided by the standard divisor. Example, use the Jefferson's method to apportion the 350 computers in the previous example. So, ang gagamitin lang din natin dito ay yung previous examples na majors katulad ng humanities, business, education, at mathematics. So, ito lang ulit yung gagamitin natin. Humanities, ang enrollees is 1,250. Business, ang enrollees ay 985. Education, ang enrollees ay 1,420. Mathematics, ang enrollees ay 1,595. Sa the total of 5,250. Pag-aadin po natin siya para makuha yung total. Solution 1. The standard divisor of the example is 15. So, we'll make the modified divisor slightly lower than 14.9. Then, find the modified quota of computers in each major. So, for humanities, modified quota, gagamitin lang din natin yung enrollees ng humanities. So, 1,250 divided by 14.91 is equals to 83.84. For business, modified quota is equals to 985 divided by 415 is equals to 66.06. For education, modified quota is equals to 1,420 divided by 14.91 is equals to 95.24. For mathematics, modified quota is equals to 1,595 divided by 14.91 is equals to 106.97. Nalagyan ng 91 yon, diba 14.9 lang siya kanina, so lalagyan natin siya ng 1 kasi medyo mataas na yung fractional parts niya dito. Step number 2, round down the quotas corresponding to the actual number of computers apportions under the Jefferson's method shown in column 4. So, ito po siya. Magpapakita po natin dito sa column 4 na to. Ito po. Yung rounded down po niya. Same lang din sila dun sa una. Kagaya lang din siya ng Hamilton's method. Pero yung total niya is hindi magbabago.